Electric vehicles, EVs, are more than just a trend. They represent a transformative journey in transportation. What began as experimental models over a century ago has evolved into the cutting-edge EVs we see today, led by companies like Tesla. This exploration will take you through the history, technological advancements, challenges, and future of electric vehicles. Electric vehicles have a surprisingly long history, starting in the 19th century. The earliest concepts of EVs emerged in the early 1800s when Scottish inventor Robert Anderson developed a rudimentary electric carriage powered by non-rechargeable batteries. By the late 1800s, innovators like Thomas Davenport and Gustave Trouve built electric vehicles that ran on rechargeable batteries. In 1891, William Morrison introduced one of the first practical electric cars in the United States, capable of speeds up to 14 miles per hour. By the early 1900s, electric cars became popular, especially among urban dwellers due to their quiet operation and ease of use compared to noisy hand-crank gasoline engines. Despite their early success, electric vehicles faced significant challenges. The introduction of mass-produced gasoline vehicles, spearheaded by Henry Ford's Model T in 1908, made gas-powered cars more affordable and accessible. Improved road infrastructure and the discovery of vast oil reserves further propelled gasoline cars' dominance. By the 1920s, electric cars nearly vanished from the market as gas-powered vehicles became the primary mode of transportation. The resurgence of interest in electric vehicles began in the late 20th century. Concerns about air pollution and oil dependency in the 1970s spurred research into alternative energy vehicles. Automakers like General Motors introduced experimental EVs like the 1996 EV1, but high costs and limited range restricted their adoption. In the early 2000s, governments worldwide began promoting EV development through subsidies and emissions regulations, reigniting interest in this technology. Tesla Motors played a pivotal role in changing perceptions of EVs. Founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, Tesla aimed to prove that EVs could be both practical and exciting. The Tesla Roadster, introduced in 2008, was the company's first vehicle, offering an impressive 245 miles of range on a single charge. Tesla's subsequent models, Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, brought affordability, performance, and innovative features to the EV market. The company's advancements in battery technology, autonomous driving capabilities, and charging infrastructure set new benchmarks for the industry. Today, EVs are a global phenomenon. Major automakers like Ford, General Motors, Nissan, and BMW have committed to electric mobility, releasing their own EV models. China leads the world in EV adoption with millions of units sold annually. Infrastructure improvements such as rapid charging networks are making EVs more convenient than ever. Despite their growth, EVs still face hurdles. Battery costs and raw material sourcing remain significant challenges, while charging infrastructure, though improving, needs to expand further to meet rising demand. However, innovations like solid-state batteries and wireless charging are in development to address these issues, promising even greater convenience and efficiency for EV users. The future of EVs is bright, with trends pointing toward continued growth. Autonomous electric vehicles are expected to redefine personal and public transportation, while renewable energy integration will further reduce EVs' carbon footprint. Companies like Tesla, Rivian, Lucid Motors, and traditional automakers will continue pushing the boundaries of innovation, ensuring that electric vehicles become an integral part of everyday life. From their humble beginnings in the 1800s to Tesla's groundbreaking advancements, electric vehicles have come a long way. They have not only changed the way we travel, but also reshaped industries and inspired sustainable innovations. The journey of EVs is far from over, and the future promises even more exciting developments. If you enjoyed this exploration of the history of electric vehicles, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for our channel. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating stories behind technology and innovation.